In this video, I will show you how to reset your Hatch Restore to, and this also works for the original Hatch Restore. If your device isn't connecting, syncing, or responding properly, a quick reset might be all you need. So let's jump right in. Here's how to reset it step by step. First, unplug the device from the power outlet. Then press and hold the button with the two arrows forming a circle. You will find it on the bottom of the device. While holding that button, plug the device back in. Keep holding the button for about 10 seconds, then release it. Now wait for the around 2 minutes. Your Hatch Restore should reboot automatically and will be ready to reconnect through the Hatch Sleep app. Now before you go, here's a few key things to keep in mind. If you brought your Hatch secondhand, it might still be linked to the previous owner account. In that case, you won't be able to set it up until they remove it, or you can reach out to Hatch support for help. Hatch devices sometimes don't connect well to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Make sure you are using R2.4 connection for best results. If you have tried resetting and it still isn't working, visit helphatch.co to contact Hatch support. They are super responsive and can help you unlink old accounts or troubleshoot deeper problems. Your Hatch Restore should now be reset and ready to go. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.